In this video, we are going to see how we can create or add an image poll on YouTube. So for different options, if you want to include different images in the poll, here's how you can do it. First of all, just head over to the profile icon of yours and click on view your channel. So first of all, we click on the create and click on create post, which will take you directly to this section where you can create your post. Here we have an image poll option directly available. Click on that and let's say which one is better. We want to include 2 images and let's say we are asking about different courses of ours. And we can add different options if we have more, or you can reposition the image like so. And after that, you just hit post and this is how it looks. People can post on it and select different options. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.